Good morning, students. Hello, welcome. How are you all? Class 5. Okay, so we are back with the online classes, as you all know. Now today in this video we are going to see about, you are going to learn about, you are going to understand about English 1, chapter number 1, the first chapter of this book, that is the white black bird. Okay, the name of the chapter is the white black bird. As you can see, it's written here, the white black bird. Before starting the chapter, I would like to tell you that what is the story. The story is about a black bird. एक चिड़िया की कहानी है in which there is a confusion with the color of the bird. There is a confusion with the color changing of the bird. When the bird was born, it was of one color. When slowly and gradually it got the new feathers, new wings, then the color got changed. Then again the color got changed, due to which his family was not ready to accept that bird chick as the member of their family. The father was not ready to accept, and his father said to leave home. तो वो घर छोड़कर चला गया. Then what happened? उसके बाद क्या हुआ? We don't know. Now we'll know when we will go with this chapter. So I am starting the explanation part. You all pay attention. Okay? Okay. And the writer of this story is Alfred D. Musset. The name of the writer is Alfred D. Musset. Alfred D. Musset, 1810 to 1857, was a French dramatist and a poet. In 1842, he wrote The Story of a White Black Bird, in which the bird himself narrates his struggles to fit into his family. The bird moves from place to place before he finally finds contentment. So it's very clear and easy that the writer is Alfred D. Musset, born in 1810 to 1857. He died, and he was a French dramatist and a poet. He used to write dramas and poetry also. One of the story he has written this, The White Black Bird, in which he has narrated that how the bird struggles, कैसे वो मेहनत करता है, कोशिश करता है अपने आप को ये प्रूफ करने के लिए that he is the member of his family, and moves from one place to another place to find the contentment. Contentment means, see, contentment means delight, happiness, खुशी. ठीक है? I was born a black bird in a thicket near a meadow. My father took good care of his family. He would peck about all day for insects that he brought home to my mother. Holding them carefully by the tail so as not to crush them, he had a sweet voice too and sang beautiful songs. I was born. Here I is about the bird. The bird himself is narrating his story. ठीक है? Was born in a thicket. Thicket means forest. It's a new word for forest. ये नया word है forest के लिए. Thicket. ठीक है? Near a meadow. Meadow के पास. My father took good care of his family. He was a good caretaker. He would peck about all day. Peck means the eating habit of the birds. See, we eat with our mouth, and birds also eat, but the method of their eating is known as pecking. ऐसे ऐसे करते हैं beak से peck. All day for insects, and he brought home to my mother. Holding them carefully, बड़े ध्यान से insects को पकड़ कर लाते थे. By the tail क्या होती है? पूंछ, tail. So that as not to crush them, कि वो crush ना हो जाएं. He had a sweet voice too. His voice was very sweet. He's talking about his father here. And sang beautiful song. Birds की आवाज़ बहुत मीठी होती है ना? However, despite all this, I was unhappy. I had so many things in my family. I had much love, but still I was unhappy. Why? I ate little and was very weak. I ate little, बहुत थोड़ा सा खाता था, and was very weak. From the beginning, I was different from my brothers and sisters. Starting, see, when I was born, my brothers and sisters were there. I was different, totally different from them. They had glossy black feathers while mine were dirty grey. Feathers they had were very shiny. Glossy means shiny, bright. But my feathers were very dirty and grey. My father got angry whenever he looked at my feathers. And my father used to be angry because my feathers were totally different from my brothers and sisters. When I molted for the first time, my father watched me closely. While my feathers were falling out, I was naked. Father was kind. But when my new feathers appeared, he was furious because I was no longer even grey. I had become Snow White. I was a white black bird. How did such a thing happen in a blackbird family? Now what happened when I molted? Molted here means shedding of the feathers. जब पुराने पंख झड़ने शुरू हो जाते हैं, that is known as molted, shedding, झड़ना, ठीक है? For the first time my father watched me closely. बहुत ध्यान से देखा उन्होंने. While my feathers were falling out, I was naked. My body was totally naked, blank. Nothing was there on my body. Father was very kind. Then my father was very kind. But when my new feathers appeared, he was furious. लेकिन जब नए feathers आने शुरू हो गए, he was furious. Furious means extremely angry, गुस्सा, बहुत ज़्यादा वाला. Because I was no longer even grey. But why? Because the color of my feathers, new feathers, those which were appearing, were totally changed. They were not grey now. I had become Snow White. Snow White कैसी होती है? White in color, Snow White. My feathers were totally white. I was a white black bird. Now my name also got changed. I was a white black bird. How did such a thing happen in a blackbird family? ये कैसे हो सकता है? In a blackbird family, how can the color change? कलर्स किसके ऊपर होता है? पेरेंट्स के साथ मैच करते हैं बच्चे भी, कहते हैं ना ये मम्मी जैसा है, ये पापा जैसा है, ये पापा जैसी है, मम्मी जैसी है, isn't it? So this happened in the family, so everybody was surprised that how it happened. It made me very sad to see my father so angry. I was very sad because my father was very angry. But one cannot stay sad forever. But how long can you stay sad? Sometimes you have to change. Okay? One sunny spring day, I opened my bill and began to sing. Bill. See, ये bill जो लिखा है, ये bill यहाँ पे वो सामान का जो bill होता है, that is not the bill here. This bill means the jaws of a bird. Birds के जो jaws होते हैं, jaws means हमारी जो jaws हैं, these अंदर teeth के नीचे जो jaws होते हैं, मसूड़े जैसे हिंदी में कहते हैं, okay? तो bill, the jaws of a bird. Bird के jaws को क्या कहते हैं? Bill कहते हैं, okay? When I opened my bill and began to sing, I started singing. At the first note, my father flew up into the air like a sky rocket. और जैसे ही मैंने गाना शुरू किया, मेरी आवाज़ सुनकर my father, he flew up in the sky. Rocket की तरह zoom ऊपर चले गए. I don't know what happened with him. What do I hear? He cried. Is that the way a blackbird whistles? Do I whistle that way? Father said. चिल्लाए वो. ये क्या सुना मैंने? What do I hear? Is that the blackbird bird whistles? ऐसे blackbird whistling करते हैं. Do I whistle that way? Am I doing in that way? I whistle the best I can, I replied. Then I said, the bird said, I can whistle the best I can. जितना मैं best कर सकता हूँ, मैंने किया. That is not the way we whistle in my family. My father said, you make a horrible noise. The truth is, you are not a blackbird. This is not the way of whistling in our family. Nobody whistles like this. This means that you are not a blackbird now. I will leave home, I sobbed. I will fly far away and live on earthworms and spiders. जब मैंने ये बात सुनी, फादर गुस्से में थे. Then I said, okay, I will leave home. तो मैं घर छोड़ के चला जाऊंगा. I sobbed. Sobbed means cry by making sounds. जब हम रोते हैं, बहुत तेज रोते हैं, ऐसे करके रोते हैं, ऐसे करके, like this. This is known as sob. This process of crying is known as sob. आवाज़ आती है जो, ठीक है? तो मैं रोया और मैंने बोला कि मैं यहाँ से चला जाऊँगा. I will fly far away, दूर चला जाऊँगा, and live on earthworms and spiders. And earthworms and spiders I will have for living my life, खाने के लिए. Do as you please. My father said, you are not a blackbird. ठीक है, जैसे तुम्हें करना है तुम करो. It's your wish. You are not a blackbird now. You can leave this. जा सकते हो तुम यहाँ से. I flew away early the next morning. I soon found shelter under an old gutter. It rained that night. As I was about to fall asleep, a wet bird came in and sat down beside me. His feathers were grayish like mine, but he was much larger than me. I flew away next morning and I found a shelter near a gutter, old gutter. Under that gutter, it rained that night very heavily, and when I was about to sleep, जब मैं सोने जा रहा था तो अचानक से what happened suddenly, another bird came and sat beside me. That bird, the feathers of that bird were grayish like me, and the bird was wet in rain. बारिश हो रही थी, वो भीग गई थी. Wet means गीला होना, भीग जाना. And it was looking grayish like me. Its feathers were like mine color. But he was much larger than me. लेकिन वो मुझसे बहुत बड़ी थी. Much larger than me. Who are you? He asked. उसने पूछा. Who are you? I don't know, I replied. I am supposed to be a black bird, but I am white. I am the finest bird in the world. I am supposed to be a black bird, but I am white. I am the finest bird in the world, he said. I am a carrier pigeon and carry messages. Pigeon था वो bird जो उसके पास आकर लेट गई थी, बैठ गई थी उसके साथ. That bird was a pigeon. He said, I am a carrier pigeon. Carrier pigeon means carries messages. उसने खुद ही बता दिया, and carry messages. Then I saw a traveling bag hung from his neck. फिर मैंने देखा कि उसके गले में क्या लटका हुआ है. एक traveling bag है, उसके गले में एक बैग लटका हुआ है. Perhaps I am a pigeon, I said, since I am not a blackbird. शायद मैं pigeon हूँ, मैं blackbird तो नहीं हूँ, isn't it? No, he answered. A weakling like you could not be a pigeon. उसने बोला, no, you can't be a pigeon. तुम pigeon नहीं हो सकते हो. एक छोटा सा weakling means weak in body, जिसकी body बहुत weak होती है, छोटी size की होती है, क्योंकि वो खाना नहीं खाता था ना. Weak, you cannot be a pigeon. तुम pigeon हो ही नहीं सकते.